Fool humans of the piddly planet formerly known as Earth, but now more appropriately named Fleasbooger by me, your ultimate leader and destroyer. When I get there 12 million years from now, Gordrizzle, the Unkind. You may have noted, in your limited capacity to note anything, that I did not refer to you fool humans as fleasboogerlings, as I did at the conclusion of last week's dire warning. The reason, not that I have to give you fool humans a reason for anything I decree, is that fool humans is a far, far more insulting term than fleasboogerlings. There is no worse insult in the universe than fool humans. Fleasboogerlings would be a step up. To refer to you fool humans as the solid residue of insect nasal secretions would be a compliment compared to fool humans. You fool humans. 12 million years. That's all you fool humans have. So quake in fear. Fool humans, quake in fear.